Oh yeah, I mean, there's a chance of a few spotty showers around, but the risk is low, so you might be the lucky one that gets the spotty rain shower drifting through your area. I think after 3 o'clock, we're looking good, and that's when I expect more sunshine to start to return. That'll help boost our temperatures in the upper 70s. By Sunday, though, you're going to want to go to that splash pad. 88 degrees, very warm. We'll have sunshine around to start, and then we'll get some evening thunderstorms that get feisty. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. Temperatures right now in the low and mid 60s across our area. Plus, it's a touch muggy out there. 64 in Kirtland, 63 Shaker Heights. Good morning to you. Kent, you're checking in at 60. Talmadge 64. You head to Hinckley at 64 as well. Low and mid 60s from Avon to Elyria. And then you go down towards Worcester 64, 65 in Canton. So again, a mild and muggy start. Here's your dew point forecast. When we get dew point temperatures above 60, that's when it's starting to feel muggy. Mega muggy is when we get above that 70-degree mark. Not expecting that to happen, but again, you'll notice the humidity coming back at us. On Storm Fox right now, a lot is quiet across much of the area. You go east though, and that's where we're seeing some light showers in and around Ellsworth, down towards Salem into Alliance, and then you go even more to the south of that, and we do have some light showers in and around Carrollton. So as we move through the day today, I can't rule out those stray random showers, but it's this system off towards the west of us that'll bring some thunderstorms for our area tomorrow. I'll have the timing on that coming up. And look at the rain chances. I mean, rather low. I even think this 50% is overdoing it. I think we're going to stay right around that 20% mark. And look at the sunshine as we head through the remainder of the day today. So I do expect that'll help boost our temperatures in the upper 70s by the time we hit 5 o'clock. Back to you.
I like it.
And I imagine your boys are looking forward to pool time this year.
Yeah, we would love that.
Or lake time,
summer
actually.
heat
Yeah.
coming up. Today, I mean, the lake looks good. We're a foot or less, but our sky doesn't look too great.
It's a little gray.
Like, I
And the lake is still kind of cold, though, isn't it?
It's 67.
So
Yes,
that's
it's
on
warm up a
that
bit.
that's on that merge there.
And that's 30 feet down, so I'm assuming that the surface temps, I'll check some buoys, upper 60s, but still you're like, I don't want to jump in on that.
Absolutely.
In mid 70s.
You can like
That's
dip
when
your,
you'll get me in.
Dip your toe in it.
Exactly. So we'll have some sunshine around tomorrow, and that heat returns. So maybe that refreshing feel good tomorrow, because it's going to be our real big push of heat, and it's just only for one day, unfortunately. Right now, though, we've got lots of cloud cover around, and I am tracking some showers across our area there on the light side, more so sprinkles as you head down towards the Youngstown area. You'll see it very light, pushing through Warren over toward McDonald, down towards Canfield, light shower drifting through. That's headed towards Columbiana, and then you go even more to the south of that, and we do have some light showers in and around Carrollton. So really no issues as far as rain goes. I mean, these are not the heavy downpours, and they're not going to be widespread through the day. Temperatures right now in the low and mid 60s. It's 63 in Carrollton, Barberton checking in at 66, mid 60s from Menor up to Paynesville, and then we've got Garfield Heights and Maple Heights checking in at 63. So again, the clouds around throughout the morning, and that'll give way to sunshine though as we head into the afternoon. I do expect breaks of sun coming mainly after 3 o'clock and before the sun goes down, and that'll give us that boost to bring our temperatures back into the upper 70s, possibly even low 80s depending on where you are. So we do have the warmth that is pooling on in as we head into tomorrow, but watch what comes after tomorrow. This area of low pressure decides to just sit right on top of us for several days, so that's going to cool us off, plus it's going to bring some unsettled weather to our area, and then that finally lifts out of here just in time for a big weekend. Remember, we're headed towards 4th 4th of July. 4th of July is not next Tuesday, the Tuesday after that. So we've got some warmth that tries to build in as we head towards those days. Now, speaking of the showery weather that we've had over the last week, that actually did a number on our drought conditions. Remember, much of northeast Ohio was under a moderate drought. Now we just still have abnormally dry conditions for most of the area, where we still have that moderate drought off in our eastern counties. So that's where our best chance of rain is today with those spotty showers, and we're seeing that this morning. This is your lunch hour. Again, still can't rule out a stray shower or two. They'll be on the light side, they'll be in and out, and then we'll bring in some sunshine as we head through the day. Look at this, we're clearing out, especially along the lakeshore late afternoon and into the evening. We'll start out the day tomorrow with some fog around, and then temperatures quickly warm. Lots of sunshine expected in the afternoon. Now, as we head into the evening, that's the time frame that we're going to be watching, mainly after dinner time. We'll see if this holds together out towards the west of us. But if it does, we'll have some rain and rumbles of thunder coming in mainly after 7 p.m. and then that sweeps through. That's that strong cold front. We'll be on the lookout for maybe some strong to severe thunderstorms Sunday evening. And then as we head into Monday, remember that low that I was talking about, that's going to keep us unsettled. So scattered showers, rumbles of thunder Monday into Tuesday, and then finally the system breaks free on Wednesday. So again, we've got temps in the upper 70s today. Upper 80s expected tomorrow, hot and humid, and then get ready for those thunderstorms in the evening. We're still right around 80 degrees on Monday. It'll still be muggy with some showers and storms around, and then we cool off with the system. Temperatures right around 70 Tuesday into Wednesday, and we dry out at the end of the week and warm back up to average temps in the lower 80s. I expect that to do so here after 3 o'clock. I expect more sunshine as the day goes on. But in the meantime, through midday, there is the chance of a stray, spotty, light shower sprinkle. Don't go canceling any plans. Drift right through your area and out. Some of us will remain completely dry. And again, you get towards 4 o'clock, and with that sunshine peeking out, our temperatures will hit the upper 70s, possibly even low 80s in spots, depending on how much sunshine you see. Fog is getting better, still across parts of our area at the higher levels, so eventually that's going to lift out of here. Temperatures generally in the low and mid 60s at the moment. There's those light showers and sprinkles around. We've got a couple drifting over the lake. You go down towards the south and east, down towards Mahoning over into Carroll, Columbiana County. And there's that stray shower that's now moving through Fairport Harbor, North Madison, eventually headed towards Thompson. We've got one continuing to drift to the south of Youngstown, headed towards Salem, and then you go in and around Carrollton. You get another light sprinkle that's moving your way. So it's mainly our eastern spots that have the chance here for these spotty showers here through your midday hours. High pressure then tries to build in. We'll get some sunshine, but the heat's going to build in as that system continues to work its way to the east. It's this next system that we're watching closely here Sunday evening. It's a stronger cold front that'll head our way, and what that's going to do, push maybe a line of thunderstorms at us in the evening. We'll see how much it holds together. The timing is the key. If it gets in later than 7 o'clock, hopefully the severe chances go down. Here's a look at Storm Fox, your hour by hour. As we move through the afternoon, again, there's a chance of a few light showers and sprinkles. Temperatures by your lunch hour, low 70s for most of us. Then we're going to bring back the sunshine here late afternoon and in the early evening. That'll help boost our temperatures upper 70s, possibly low 80s. We continue to clear out overnight, but it will be muggy. Winds shift out of the south. They'll be on the light side, but look at this. These are our 9 a.m. temperatures. We've got upper 60s where we have the fog forming. Outside of those areas, temperatures already in the mid 70s. So we are going to be rather warm tomorrow. Our temperatures mid to upper 80s. We'll definitely sound the pool alert alarm and your beach forecast. That's coming up. So looking ahead here, As we head into the evening, there's those scattered showers and thunderstorms again. The chance for a strong to severe thunderstorm after 7 o'clock. And then as we move into Monday, we do have temperatures back into the 60s to start off the morning. I do expect us to hit right around 80 degrees Monday, but unfortunately with the system sticking around, we will have scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the day on Monday, then just scattered showers on Tuesday as the cooler air drifts in. We're back to right around 70 degrees both Tuesday into Wednesday. Showers linger into Wednesday morning, then we start our drying trend and we warm up just in time for the weekend. Our temperatures headed back to 80 in the low 80s on Saturday. Back to you.
Walters, PJ Ziegler, and John Sable. The first place team won $1,200 in Cleveland Metro competitions for the longest drive and closest to the pin. All right, Jen,
Look
you
at
were
that
pretty
swing.
good
Look
there.
at that swing. I'm just telling you.
Right?
It was a great day.
Okay.
You know what? This cloud cover, we had no rain. I said, you know, wherever you have a meteorologist involved,
There's always
put a
some
bubble
rain.
over the event
Yes.
and no rain. And you know what? Our viewers were fantastic. I met a lot of great people out there. And of course, I crushed Gabe.
There you go.
There you go.
All right, that's all that
Then
matters.
it was a win. Okay.
It's always a win.
Horrible day on the course for me, though.
But you
That
beat
doesn't
Gabe,
speak-
so that's all
exactly.
that counts.
Exactly. All right, well, here's a look at what's going on right now. If you might want to head to the links, I'm saying a lot of areas dry, but if you're down towards our southeastern spots, down towards the Youngstown area, Carrollton, we're starting to see some light showers continue across the region. We also have some showers drifting in over the lake, so this is going to move into downtown Cleveland, Lorraine, even Vermilion now, starting to get some light sprinkles moving on in. Again, this will drift through pretty quickly and we'll eventually see sunshine later this afternoon. But of course, we got lots of clouds around right now and some fog. So the threat for light showers and sprinkles through midday. Otherwise, we'll bring back the sunshine and we'll have a lot of it tomorrow. Right now, it is rather gloomy. Like I said, we're tracking those showers over the lake. So Burke Lakefront checking in at 68, lots of clouds, winds out of the west-southwest, and they're light. So your fishing forecast this morning, maybe get a bite. Waves, great, a foot or less. We've got light winds. Again, you might drift into a passing shower. Our water temperature, 64 to 67 degrees. I just checked latest buoy reports. And hot spots, again, I'm waiting on those hot spot tips. So share them with us. I mean, maybe Ryder has a tip. He just caught this one out of Fairport, this walleye. Ryder, great catch, buddy. I'm looking forward to seeing your Fish Ohio fish. So if you ever catch that one, send it on in. But what a great catch, Ryder. And look at this day. It was fantastic. Lots of sunshine. We'll get to that. Clouds today. More sunshine as the day goes on. Maybe 3, 4 o'clock is when you'll start to notice it. And at that point, it'll allow temperatures to boost into the upper 70s. There could be some low 80s across our area. What else is boosting? We've got dew point temperatures finally getting above 65. So yeah, it's going to feel touch sticky outside the next couple of days. But we're due. I mean, this year we've only had 3 hours of dew points over 65 degrees. The average this point should be 126 hours. So we've been rather comfy as we moved into the latter half of spring and into summer. So Friday, we hit 73 degrees, far cry from our average of 82. Today will come near that, again, upper 70s expected. Rain showers less than 1/4 inch. Again, they're mainly coming in sprinkles, but we don't need the rain here in Cleveland. We do need the rain, though, down towards the Akron area, abnormally dry. In fact, Akron, you're down about 1.25 inches. Where we're going to see some rain, you go well off to the west. That's where those showers and thunderstorms could possibly move into our area tomorrow evening. We're right on the edge of that marginal severe threat tomorrow evening, so we'll be on the lookout for some stronger storms after 7 o'clock. We do have some sunshine returning later this afternoon, fog around tomorrow, and then here you have it. Those showers and thunderstorms developing mainly after 7 o'clock, and with the system sticking around, scattered showers and thunderstorms expected through Monday, and we take a dive. Temperatures again, 88 degrees on Sunday. 48 hours from that, we're back to 70 with still showers lingering. It's going to be the sunshine will sneak out, and that'll allow our temperatures to warm into the upper 70s later this afternoon. So yeah, clouds common through the first half of the day, and I can't rule out a random light shower or sprinkle. It should be in and out of your area if you get one. Temperatures right now in the mid and upper 60s, and we're seeing lots of cloud cover. There are some holes in the clouds though. Later today, we're going to find more of that. We are seeing 2 batches of rain, one coming in over the lake, another one exiting to our southeast. So these showers will continue to drift to the south. I do expect Lorraine into greater Cleveland to get some of these passing showers within this next hour. We do have some light rain in and around Thompson right now, Leroy, and then you go down to the south here, and we're seeing it from Salem to Unity, even down towards Carrollton, still dealing with those light showers. So this is all due to this area of low pressure that is off on the east coast, counterclockwise around that low, dragging in the clouds, and again the unsettled weather. Then we focus on the west. A lot of dry areas, even clear skies plus warmth. This is what's in store for us tomorrow. And then beyond that, this area of low pressure is going to bring yet another wave of unsettled weather to our area starting off the week. So let's take a look at Storm Fox. Here's your hour by hour. As we move through midday, again, these sprinkles and light showers continue to work their way in. Temperatures upper 60s, low 70s by 1 o'clock, but we're headed into the upper 70s, possibly low 80s with the sunshine returning later in the day. It will be muggy. It's going to continue to be that way here through the night. So might be a wise one to shut the windows and turn on the AC, because look at tomorrow. By 10 a.m. our temperatures well into the 70s, even 80 at some spots with lots of sunshine. We'll continue to rise in temps, mid to upper 80s expected. Could we hit 90? That's the question. Then we're going to watch for these showers and thunderstorms to form in our western communities, mainly after 7 o'clock. Could be a strong to severe thunderstorm for our western communities here at that point. It'll continue to work its way to the east and fall apart as we move through the evening hours and the first part of the night. Then once again, we're back into the upper 60s and low 70s by 9 a.m. It's going to be a warm day on Monday, but throughout the day, scattered showers and thunderstorms continue. And that's the key word though, scattered. 78 degrees, clouds to eventually sunshine, foot or less today and tomorrow out on the lake. Our water temperature now checking in at 67. We're in the low 60s tonight, mainly clear and muggy. And then here's that summer heat, 88 degrees. It's for one day, so that's your pool day, that's your lake day. Get out around 7 and 8 o'clock because we've got those showers and thunderstorms that'll be moving in across our area. By Monday, scattered showers and storms linger into Tuesday. Just showers, because look at this, our temperature is dropping back to around 70, so that's the cooler period. By the time we get into the end of the week, upcoming weekend, we're back to 80 or above and a slight chance of rain next Saturday.
Right in the middle.
50-50.
Yeah.
50-50. And the weather's 50-50 today, too.
Yeah, 50-50 weekend. Well, I don't know, depending on what kind of weather you like. I mean, if you're a fan of that summer heat and craving it,
yeah,
we've got that coming our way tomorrow. If you're a fan of maybe the cooler kind, it's today.
You said
right
it's
now.
kind of sticky out there too, right?
It is. The humidity is up, but it's been a while. I mean, we've only had 3 hours so far this season and even in the spring where our dew point has been above 65 degrees. When it gets above that mark, that's when it's muggy, and it's going to stay this way here for the next 48 hours. Our average, how many hours we should have had over 65? 126. So lip is giving lip, like, let's get out and enjoy this. It's cooler right now. I want to play ball here. Come on, Dad, take me out for a walk. All right, well, today, stray shower, not out of the question. Our temperatures in the 70s, mainly upper 70s. It's later in today where it'll be nicer. Tomorrow, I'm going with hot paws because we could possibly hit 90 in a few backyards. It's going to be hot. You're going to need to give the pooch a lot of water. And then on Monday, muddy paws because we'll have rounds of scattered showers and thunderstorms through our area. That's going to continue to work its way to the south, so our lakeshore communities, like we have some sprinkles and some light showers between 10 and noon. And then as we move towards the south and east, this batch starting to get out of our southeastern areas. So we've got clouds around, even some low-hanging clouds, fog over our city here, and then some sunshine later today. Once we get into that sunshine, that'll help boost our temperatures into the mid and upper 70s. So it's going to be a lot warmer than yesterday. We only managed to reach 73 degrees, our average high 82, and we should make that mark tomorrow. There are only a couple outliers here today that'll hit it though. We do not need the rain here in Cleveland. We're at a surplus of about 1/4 of an inch, but we do need it at Akron, Canton. You're down about 1 1/4 inches, still putting you in abnormally dry conditions, but this drought monitor, so much improvement compared to that moderate drought that we've been in, where we're still dry, moderate drought here out in our far eastern communities. And out to the east, we've got showers accompanying a low along New York. That's why we're seeing some light rain, spotty in and around our area. Sunshine to the west, and then we get into this. You see the line of heavy rain, even some rumbles of thunder. That's going to be headed our way tomorrow. The severe threat looks to be just in the far fringe of our state, western areas. So by the evening, we're going to be on the lookout for maybe some strong to severe thunderstorms for our western counties. Spotty showers around today through midday. Then we're back to clearing sky, mainly clear and muggy tonight. Tomorrow, we'll start off the day with some fog and some sunshine. We'll see if that line holds together, but for the most part, the front itself will start to head our way tomorrow evening, and that's when we have our best chance of scattered showers and storms. Front moves through, and then we'll have on and off showers and thunderstorms throughout the day on Monday, plus a cool off. Look at this, 88 on Sunday. By Monday, 80 degrees, and then we drop back 10 degrees into Tuesday and Wednesday as the system exits. We'll be right around 70. But don't worry, we're warming up as we head towards the end of the week into the upcoming weekend. Our temperatures